Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Dignics 09C and removing any detachable modules. This prevents short circuits and exposes the surfaces you need to treat. Once done, lay components on a clean towel and inspect for grime, residue, or sticky spots. Mix a few drops of mild soap in distilled water for general cleaning and reserve 70% isopropyl for stubborn deposits. Make sure to use a soft, lint-free cloth and avoid saturating the device. Blot, don't pour, to control moisture. Now tackle the detailed cleaning. Dampen a cloth with the mild soap solution and wipe the exterior in single-direction strokes to lift oils and dust. Immediately follow with a dry cloth to prevent seepage. For crevices, use a cotton swab lightly moistened with isopropyl 70% and roll it across seams. Avoid aggressive scrubbing so you don't dislodge coatings. For electrical contacts, lightly dab alcohol and let components air dry thoroughly. Make sure nothing is damp before you proceed to reassembly. Finish by reassembling the Dignics 09C in reverse order, confirming connectors, seals, and screw torque are correct. This preserves fit and prevents gaps where dirt returns. Once assembled, power on and run a brief functional test. Listen for abnormal noise and watch for error LEDs. If performance is unchanged or problems appear, power down and repeat targeted cleaning on suspect areas, or stop and contact authorized service to preserve warranty. A key troubleshooting tip: if the device won't boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.